Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have the iPhone 17 Pro Max here, and of course this will apply to this one will apply to the any iPhone, including the newer ones, or should I say especially the newer ones. All right, so I'm going to show you how to power on your iPhone without the power button. This can be very useful in cases where something has happened and either you can't press the power button or the power button is not functioning. All right, so let's get straight into it. All right, so first of all, to make sure that I show you that it's actually, I'm not going to press the button. Here's the power button. So I'm going to power off the device. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to slide, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to power off. All right, now it's powered off. Now while it's powered off, and here you go, it's totally off. And what you're gonna need is your charge cable. Go ahead and plug it in. Just give me a second. And I'm not gonna touch this side to show you I'm not pressing the power button. And as again, you can see it's off. And there you go. So I'm gonna plug it in. All right, and there you go. Notice the Apple logo. And it's doing its thing. Notice I did not press the power button, and this is the shortcut way to actually power on your iPhone. So if your power button is not working or you cannot press your power button or whatever it is, this should work. So go ahead and plug it in, and there you go. And I'm going to enter my password, and there you go guys. So that's how to power up your iPhone. In this case, the 17 Pro Max. Should work on the 17, 17 Pro, and even older devices. All right, so especially if it's a newer device, it should work, and that's how you power up your iPhone without needing the power button. All right, so see you in the next one. Bye.